G'day guys, welcome to Rummel's Fish Room. So I kind of did a members video on this, but I told the members that it was going to be public knowledge, but I got chicken eggs. Now, I made this styrofoam box and I taped it up, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to untape it. Not all of it, just that much. So I can have a gander at the eggs, you know. Humidity is perfect. So the biggest problem is going to be, pulling that apart was made a lot more mess than I was hoping for. So once I need to get just destroyed my box. Well, welcome to the video. The point was, I want to be able to get that front off. Now we've got the front off, now you get it back on. Yeah, anyway, there's eggs in here. I'll keep what chickens they are a surprise. The members know, I told them which ones they are, but yeah. Alright guys, battery on the camera died, so my new method of vlogging, we're going to run the batteries till they're dead or close to dead, because I actually destroyed my last two camera batteries by charging them after every vlog. So today's video we're actually going to change the starter motor on the Starlet. I know like 90% of you won't be interested in that, but I thought you might find it hilarious me trying to change it and how frustrated I'm going to get with it. Alright guys, check it out. Tripod. Now I've got my new microphone, we can tripod way more. Shittest thing is parking under the tree. All the birds have shat all over it. I need to polish the car, but I kind of can't be bothered. My father-in-law, he's a panel beater, and he actually has polishers and shit at work, so he said I can go polish it. But I think first things first, I want to try and touch the starter motor, because if I touch it, that means we might be able to... I can't see it. I know the vicinity, but alright, so I'm touching it. That's step one, I guess. People said unbolt from the top and then underneath after the top. To me it seems more like underneath for the whole thing. The problem is, have you seen how low the car is? We can't get underneath. I don't even know if the microphone's working this far away. Ah, winning, it started. Alright, so I've got... I don't know if you guys heard that, but my method for starting the car is... You guys got audio? Yep. My method for starting the car, I slap the shifter and it shakes it vibrates the gearbox just enough for the solenoid on the starter motor to kick off. And I know there's going to be comments. I don't know where my ramps are. There's going to be comments saying, why didn't I just put a new solenoid on the existing starter motor? And I did contemplate it. But I got a whole starter motor for $90. So I think what I'll do is I'll put the $90 starter motor in, and then if that ever dies, we've got dog shit here. If the $90 starter motor ever dies, oh, are we gonna get up that? Maybe. Then my guess would be that the motor would die on a cheap starter motor. I'll get up it, I don't know if I'll get back down it. So if it gets to that, we could keep the old one. I can't see, you guys got to be the eyes. There we go. I'm worried about driving off the edge, but at the end of the day, they've got a little bit on them, stop something. I don't even know if I'm going to get under it, even on the ramps. What do you guys reckon? I don't know how good your camera angle is. Anyway, what do you reckon? Should I stop filming for a bit? Because it's going to get boring if I just keep filming. Nothing happening. I'll get the starter motor out and we'll have a gander. I just made a mess of my tools. These Tool Pro toolkit's pretty good if you ask me. Probably not if you ask a mechanic, but if you ask me, it's good. Alright guys, it's a 14. Wish me luck on fitting a socket in here. I was trying to think of how I could use. What's going on here? How I could use a drill and adapters and shit. Did I get the right size? No, wrong size. It's in the wrong bay. The only annoying thing about that toolkit I've got is if you don't have the foam piece in the middle, they get mixed up. Oh, can you guys hear the clicks I'm getting out of it? Look. Oh, we're getting 2 clicks. 1 click. I hope I'm undoing the right bolt. I'm like 90% sure. Do I try to get the drill in there? If I can get it in there, it's going to make my life so much easier. I think my chances are like 3.2 out of 10. My chances just went up to 5 out of 10. Seven out of 10. It's actually paying quite well now at the TAB. Right, so I got it on. I'm pretty sure I undid it. I'm actually not 100% sure. Guess my hand's about to find out. Yeah, I got it. Feels really thin. It's like a 14mm head on like a M10-ish bolt. Alright, so hate to be the bearer of bad news. That was the easier one of the two. The second one I definitely don't think we'll be able to do what I just did. I'm so glad I bought a new toolkit. We need some light. I was thinking about deleting the airbox. Oh, my glasses fell off. I'm having a anti-glasses week. Put your hands up in the chat if you know what an anti-glasses week is. It happens from time to time. Like, I despise wearing glasses this week. The fish room is a huge contributor to that because the fog in the fish room, my eyes just fog up, man, and it frustrates the hell out of me. Alright. Oh my god, I got it. My drill will fit there too. I can't believe my luck here, guys. Best thing in the world. 12 volt Milwaukee driver. Look at this. Straight down. It's not much bigger than a ratchet, really. Oops. I don't know if I'm on the bolt. It's porn. I absolutely love this thing. The only thing that sucks, because I don't use them that much anymore, the triggers are not happy. So I think I can just get it out now. Alright guys, so see that oil there? That's the rear main seal being cooked. It's possible that that's what actually screwed the starter motor. I have no intention on ever doing a rear main seal on this car. If anything, we'll just class that as an automatic oil change. The only issue there would be if it gets a yellow sticker, it's going to be a bad time. Pretty much. I've done it before. Cleaned the oil off the morning of the pit inspection. Anyway, I'm going to go inside, guys, and get the other starter motor. I've got no idea how I'm going to get it in and hold it and put the bolts on from this side. It's got me stumped. Alright guys, I don't know. I'm about ready to admit defeat. For the day anyway. I'm not angry yet, but I'm getting there. So, I can't get it in. I can get it to be like so close, but I get it roughly where it needs to go, and then it needs to rotate. I think I might take it back out, just have a closer comparison to the old one, because it's like it's not going to fit. The other one fell out so easy. I was definitely backing myself in way too early. The other day I changed the alternator on the Land Cruiser, and it was like, it doesn't look bigger. It's not the right. It's not the right alternator, guys. That's why it's not fitting. It's a different size. It's annoying. That's my fault. I gave old mate the part number. I didn't give him. That makes me think. I've always had a wonder if this isn't actually the original motor. 4EFE. I might do some research, guys. I had a feeling. I don't know what that was. Mrs. talking to the dog, I think. I had a feeling it's not the original motor. Like, I know it's not the original motor, as in the motor that came with the car, but I don't know if it's the original type of motor. I've got a feeling it's a Corolla motor. Let's have a Google. Yeah, it's a Corolla motor. Oh, maybe not. Hang on. 4. I don't know. I'm not really sure, guys. It says Corolla here. I don't know. 4E. Oh yeah, it is a star. It did come in a Starlet. So it is the original motor, just not the original one. The original type of motor, I mean. Well, I guess I'm wrapping up the video there, guys. What do we call it? Pulling Starlet apart and realising I fucked up the order. I don't know. I should have just pulled the starter motor out and ordered the part number. I wasn't in a hurry to get it. I got it off a mate, he'll help me out. He's actually a pretty fucking legendary mate. Whenever I get shit from him, he actually drops it off to my house. So I might actually drop it back off with a couple of drinks, you know. Alright, so we're gonna leave the battery disconnected. Can stay on the ramps. I don't need to lock it. Don't break into my car, please, guys. Is it breaking in if it's not locked? It's not, is it? Oh, that really bumps me out. So, the motivation behind fixing the starter motor was actually the fact that, what's going on here? Can you guys chill there? Yeah, the motivation behind fixing the starter motor was I put $60 petrol in my Land Cruiser and it gave me a quarter of the fuel capacity. So it gave me just under half of one tank, and it's a 2-tank car. So I was pretty bummed. And yeah, I just don't, I'm paying the 2 regos, and the only way that that's affordable is if I'm driving the Starlet to work, because the offset of the fuel savings pays the rego for this car. So that's my motivation to get it back together. Spewing. I should have put them side by side before I tried putting it in. I just spent like over an hour trying to get that in, and it's not even the same size. But anyway guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more, hit that little red button. And if you made it to the end, congratulations guys, because I know this is a long-winded video. Peace out.